Here's what to do when the shared album stops working. Check the internet connection. To reset the network connection, on iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap on the airplane icon to turn the airplane mode on. After a few seconds, turn it off and check the internet connection. If resetting didn't help, reset all network settings. Go to Settings and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Check the system status page. Open your browser and go to the official Apple server status page. Then locate the Photos server and you'll see if it's active or has any issues and is unavailable right now. Check the album link. If you're trying to access a shared album link, but it's unavailable, check if it's still valid. The join link expires after 30 days, so if you want to access the album, ask for a new link. Re-enable shared albums. Open the Settings app, go to your Apple ID settings. Then go to iCloud settings, tap on Photos. Now turn off shared albums and tap on OK. Wait for a few seconds and enable the feature again. Turn off the low power mode. Go to the iPhone settings. Then go to the battery settings. Next to low power mode, toggle the switch to turn it off. Reopen the Photos app. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom until you'll see all opened apps. On iPhones with a home button, double press it. Locate the Photos app and swipe up on it to close. Now open the app again. Sign out and back into your iCloud. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID name. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap on Turn Off. Select what data you want to keep and tap on Sign Out. Then sign back in. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press the volume up button located on the left side of your iPhone. Then quickly press the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Update the operating system. Go to the Settings app and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Wait while the iPhone searches for updates. If found, tap on Update. Reset iOS to factory settings. Before resetting iPhone to factory settings, back up your data. Open the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue and follow the instructions on the screen. When the reset is done, set up your device and restore the backup. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.